Hello everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make kids special mini Oreo lava cake. The kids are absolutely going to love it, and even the adults are going to fall in love with this. And the great thing is it's eggless as well as you don't need an oven for it. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So for this recipe guys, let's take one large packet of Oreo which is 120 gram and it comes for 30 rupees. And let's tear this packet and add it into a blender. And once the biscuits are in the blender, then let's add half cup which is 110 ml of milk. This milk needs to be at room temperature, and now let's blend till the time we get a very smooth batter. And now let's transfer this batter into a large mixing bowl, followed by 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. But guys, if you don't have baking soda, then you can always add 1/4 teaspoon of no flavor ENO. Also guys, this step is totally optional. If you do add it, then your cakes become nice and spongy. But if you don't have it, then you can always skip this step. And as you can see, I've just mixed everything in, and now let's keep it aside and let's take a appe pan and we are going to grease it with some butter. You can always use some oil for the same. And once the appe pan is nicely greased, then let's start adding our Oreo batter into the cavities of the appe pan. Remember to just fill it 1/3 of the way. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And once the cavities of the appe pan are filled, then let's keep it aside for now and let's start working on the lava part. So for that, let's take 50 grams of milk chocolate compound and add it into a bowl which I've kept it in some water for heating. And we are going to melt this chocolate along with 2 teaspoons of milk. Also guys, if you don't have the milk compound, then you can always use the dairy milk chocolate to do the same. And now let's just keep mixing till the time the chocolate is completely melted. And now that our chocolate is melted, let's remove it and let's add half teaspoon of this melted chocolate in the center of the appe pan on top of the Oreo batter. And once the chocolate is in the appe pan, then let's cover it up. So let's take that Oreo batter and add 1 teaspoon on top of each of these melted chocolates, thus covering it up. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is so much fun to make that you can actually make it as a project to do it with your kids. Really, I'm telling you. And now it's time for us to cook it. So let's put our appe pan on top of a flame. Let's cover it up and let's cook it for the next 5 minutes on a low flame. Also guys, do check it in intervals. It might sometimes take just 4 minutes or even 6 minutes. And after 5 minutes, our mini Oreo lava cake are ready, and aren't they looking absolutely gorgeous? So let's remove them with the help of a spoon. I'm just using the end of the spoon. And guys, be very careful while you're doing this because it's going to be piping hot. If you wish, you can wait for a minute before you remove them from the appe pan. And here we go. We have our mini Oreo lava cake in a plate. And I absolutely cannot wait to dig in. So first let me show you if the lava magic has worked. So let's tear one of these cakes open and look at that gooey stuff in the center. Oh my god, this is just absolutely blissful. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about it, what your kids think about this recipe. Do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.